What's going on, self-upgraders? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be talking about the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto Principle, and how understanding this one simple concept can help you laser focus your efforts to get shit done efficiently and achieve maximum productivity. What is the 80-20 rule? The 80-20 rule states that 80% of outputs result from just 20% of inputs. We'll break it down and show you how to apply this principle to your life and work. Identify that vital 20% and you'll get your biggest results faster than eating caviar for breakfast. Self-upgraders, the 80-20 rule basically means a minority of causes lead to a majority of effects. 20% of your customers drive 80% of sales. 20% of bugs cause 80% of software crashes. 20% of roads have 80% of traffic. Now, who first observed this? An Italian economist named Vilfredo Pareto back in the 1900s. He saw that 80% of Italy's land was owned by just 20% of the people. Inequality, baby. But the point is, this principle applies everywhere. And here's the key, self-upgraders, that vital 20% is where you want to focus your time and energy. Find those high-impact tasks and they will skyrocket your productivity faster than Elon Musk's net worth. Identify your vital 20%. So how do you find the top 20%? You got 3 steps. Laser focus on the essential objectives. Calculate where you spend minutes and hours. Use apps if needed. Crunch those numbers. See what tasks contribute most to your big outcomes. This reveals your magic 20%, the make it happen tasks that get results with a capital R. Execute on the vital 20%. Now that you've identified your vital 20, it's time to execute. This is how you get shit done efficiently. Give your vital 20% priority. Do them early and first before distractions come. Cut activities that don't drive your goals. Delegate or outsource them. Goodbye useless meetings. Build habits and systems to optimize your 20%. Streamline processes around what matters. Say no firmly to requests that don't align with your top priorities. Guard your time and energy, self-upgraders. Overcome obstacles. Now, applying the 80-20 rule has challenges, no doubt. It takes effort up front to analyze and track tasks. Do the work, self-upgraders. You may have to cut fun activities or say no to people. Stay strong. Distractions will still come. Bring the focus back. But the rewards are worth it. More time on what matters. Results faster than Bugatti's top speed. Tips for applying the 80-20 rule. Here are extra tips on using the 80-20 rule. Reevaluate your 20% regularly. Priorities change. Automate parts of key tasks to optimize time. Streamline and speed things up. 80-20 should guide decisions on opportunities. Align everything to goals. It's okay to not nail 20% daily. Get back on track when needed. Use 80-20 consistently over time and your productivity will skyrocket, self-upgraders. There you have it, self-upgraders. Use the 80-20 rule to identify and focus your time and energy on the vital 20% that truly moves the needle. Guard your focus fiercely and cut the clutter. Implement this principle and watch your key results explode faster than Dogecoin's price swing. As always, don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel for more self-upgrading videos.